Hey y'all, Justin with ESAB. Today I'm going to show you your proper setup for your hard wire and your short arc process. Today we have some Spool Arc 86035 on our robust feed platform. Once you get your spool on, make sure your hub's loose, make sure your hub nut is tight and your spool isn't loose in there. You'll feed your wire in here, making sure you're using your proper V-groove 035 drive rolls, once again color coded. Lock your tensioning arms down. Once again, we're doing hard wire, so you can come up here, ferrous, hard wire, 035. Right here on the back one, we're gonna be at 2.5. On the front one, we're gonna be at 3.5. Once again, offsetting, trying to help straighten that wire before we start pushing it through the gun. Once you have your wire in here with your proper drive rolls and your proper settings, you can come up here, hit your wire jog button, start feeding this wire through your gun. So, once you have your wire and it's through your gun, once again, I lay my gun out, have your gun through here. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to your gas. All right, in a short arc process with 035, I'm going to be running 75-25 gas. So again, I'm going to set my pressure gauge around 50. And then I'm going to set my internal flow meter around 36 CFH, right there, pumping gas. Listen, make sure that you're getting gas. The other mistake that people make with this is if you hear gas here, it's a problem, okay? Make sure your gun is seated all the way back and your set screw is all the way in. Once your wire is through your gun, once again, we're running velocity style parts. So the importance of that being all the way down and seated and making contact, and then the importance of your nozzle being extremely tight to make sure that your contact tip isn't wandering in there and arcing off. Once you have everything completed, I like to purge gas just to make sure if I just switch my bottle or switch my process that I've gotten all the air, other gas, whatever the case may be, out before I start welding with a new process. The main importance with this is obviously going to be contact size, clean liners, free flow, proper drive rolls, the right hub tension. If you followed all these steps properly and you're still having issues, please reach out to ESAB Technical Support.